What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to send pictures from your camera roll or gallery as snaps. This guide is straightforward and designed to help you share moments seamlessly with your friends on Snapchat. Firstly, launch the Snapchat app on your mobile device. Snapchat's interface is built around the camera, allowing you to capture moments as they happen. However, if you wish to share a picture that's already saved in your camera roll or gallery, there is a neat trick using the filter feature. After opening the app, engage with any filter to access the filter menu. Once the filter menu is active, gently scroll upwards to reveal the filter search bar. This is where you type green. It might sound a bit odd, but this search is your key to accessing a feature provided directly by Snapchat, designed to facilitate the sharing of images from your camera roll. Among the search results, select the filter that's officially provided by Snapchat. This specific filter enables you to integrate your camera roll with the Snapchat camera. Now, it's time to choose the image you intend to send as a snap. Navigate through your camera roll that appears within Snapchat and select your desired picture. If your phone's front camera is active, you'll see yourself in the frame. Either switch to the back camera or angle your device away from you. The goal here is to ensure your chosen image from the camera roll is in the focus without accidentally capturing a selfie. Once you have your image ready and positioned, tap on the camera shoot button. This action captures the image within the Snapchat interface, preparing it to be sent as a snap. Next, tap on Send To. A menu will pop up, listing your Snapchat friends and groups. Here, you can select the recipients of your snap. After making your selections, press the arrow button located at the lower right corner of your screen to send the picture. Remember, this method allows for creative sharing of past moments or images that weren't captured within Snapchat, adding a unique touch to your snaps. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.